Welcome, my dear students in Prep 2. Today we will solve some operations on integer powers and we will learn how to solve exponential equations. Let's take the first exercise. I want to put in the simplest form. The first one, we have root 3 power 7 multiply root 3 power negative 9 multiply root 3 power 4. Here we have the same base and multiplication operation, then I'll add the power. So it will be root 3 power 7 minus 9 plus 4. 7 minus 9, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So I have root 3 power 2. Root 3 power 2, as we studied in the first term, equals 3. The next one, we have root 18 power 5 multiply root 2 power 3 over root 12 power 4. I can simplify root 18. 18, it means 9 multiply 2. So root 18 will be 3 root 2, all power 5. Here also 12 is 4 multiply 3. So it will be 2 root 3, also all power 4. So I write the simplest form here. Now I can simplify more. This one will be 3 power 5 multiply root 2 power 5. And here 2 power 4 multiply root 3 power 4. Okay, here we have root 2 power 5 and root 2 power 3. It will be root 2 power. I'll add the powers, so it will be root 2 power 8. Okay, so here root 2 power 8, and here we have 3 power 5, 2 power 4, and root 2 power 4. Okay, if you have root 3 power 4, divide the power by 2 and cancel the root. So it will be 3 power 2. Okay, so this one will be 3 power 2. And here, root 2 power 8. Also, I'll divide the power by 2 and cancel the root. So it will be 2 power 4. 2 power 4 will cancel with 2 power 4. And we still have 3 power 5 over 3 power 2. How can I solve it? I'll subtract the powers. Divide the same base. So subtract the powers. It will be 3 power 3. 3 power 3 equals 27. Here I want to simplify, then I'll substitute instead of x by negative 1 and I'll get the result. Here I have 3 power 2 minus x, and here we have 81 power x over 3 power x plus 1 and 3 power 1 minus x. What can we do? At first, here 81 is 3 power 4. We studied before. 81 is 3 power 4. So I'll substitute. Instead of 81, I write 3 power 4. And here we have x. So 3 power 4x. Okay. Here we have 3 power x plus 1 and 3 power 1 minus x. Multiplication operation. So write the same base, which is 3. And I'll add the powers x plus 1 minus x. So it will be 3 power 2 because x minus x equals 0. So here I have 3 power 2. And here what do we have? We have 3 power 2 minus x plus 4x. 2 minus x plus 4x. 4x minus x, it will be 3x. So here in the numerator, I have 3 power 2x plus 3x over 3 power 2. Now I have the same base and division operation. So I subtract powers. So the result will be 3 power 2 plus 3x minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then it will be 3 power 3x. Now I want to put x equals negative 1. So it will be 3 power negative 3. 3 power negative 3 means 1 over 3 power 3. Get the reciprocal and the power will be positive. So 1 over 3 power 3, which is 1 over 27. Another exercise, prove that 9 power x plus 1 multiply 4 power x over 6 power 2x equals 9. Okay, 3 here, what do we, 9 is 3 power 2, okay? and 4 is 2 power 2, and 6 is 2 multiply 3. So I write, instead of 9, I write 3 power 2. So it will be 3 power 2. Okay, let's clarify it here. I have 9 power x plus 1. I write 3 power 2 instead of 9. So I have 3 power 2 all power x plus 1. Power raised to power, so I'll multiply the power. So it will be 3 power 2x plus 2. And this is 3 power 2x plus 2. By the same way, here I have 4. 4 is 2 power 2. 2 power 2 all power x, it means 2 power 2x. Here we have 6. 6 is 2 multiply 3. So it will be 3 power 2x multiply 2 power 2x. And this is the first step. Now I can simplify. I have the same base 3 and 3 and division. So it will be 3 power 3x plus 2 minus 2x. Sorry, 3 power 2x plus 2 over 2x minus 2x. And here 2 power 2x minus 2 power 2x. So it will be 1. So I'll cancel them together. And I still have 3 power 2x plus 2 minus 2x. Why minus? Because I have division operation. So 3x plus 2 minus 2x. Here we have 2x and here we have 2x. So it will be 3 power 2 because 2x minus 2x equals 0. 3 power 2 equals 9. So we proved that it's equals to 9. If x equals root 6 and y equals root 3, I want to find x power 4 multiply y power negative 4. X power 4 multiply y power negative 4. It means x power 4 over y power 4. Okay, it means x power 4 over y power 4 because this is a negative. So I write the reciprocal and the power will be positive. So I want x power 4 over y power 4. I have x power 4 and I have x and I have y. So it will be root 6 power 4 over root 3. And we said if you have a root, divide the power by 2 and cancel the root. So it will be 6 power 2 over 3 power 2. So it will be 36 over 9, which is 4. If 7 power x equals 5, I want 7 power negative x. Okay, 7 power negative x, it means 1 over 7 power x. So 1 over 5, that's all. 7 power negative x, it means 1 over 7 power x. And 7 power x equals 5, so I write here 5 instead of 7 power x, so it will be 1 over 5. If 5 over y equals 9, find the value of 125 power 5. Okay, do you remember that 125 equals 5 power 3? So I want 5 power 3 all power y. 5 power 3 all power y. It means 5 power y all power 3, the same. I can change the order, so it will be here 125 power y, this is the required value, equals 5 power 3 because 125 equals 5 power 3 all power y. Okay, so it will be 5 power y all power 3. 5 power y here is 9. Instead of 5 power y, I write 9 because 5 power y equals 9. So 9 power 3, which is 729. 3 power n plus 1 equals 6. Find the value of 3 power n. 3 power n plus 1, it means that I'm adding the powers. It means I have a multiplication operation in which 3 is the base and the power n, and the other one the power equals 1. So 3 power n plus 3 power n plus 1 3 power n plus 1 means 3 power n multiply 3. Okay, 3 power n plus 1 is 6. So 3 power n multiply 3 equals 6. So if I want 3 power n, I'll divide by 3. So 3 power n equals 6 over 3. It means that 3 power n equals 2. And I want 3 power n. Okay, what about the exponential equation? What is the exponential equation? The exponential equation is the equation in which the unknown is the power. And we can solve it by many ways. At first, if I can make the base equals the base, then the power equals the power. So I'll solve the equation of the power and I'll get x. In some cases, the power, I can make the power equals the power. And in this case, we have two another cases. Either the base equals the base. In this case, if the base is odd, so the base equals the base. If the base equals positive or negative, the other base, if the power is even. Okay, if the power equals 0, if the base doesn't equal the base. We will clarify this with exercises. The first one, for example, I have 2 power n plus 5 equals 8. I try to make the base equals the base. Can I write 8 as 2 power any number? Yes, of course, 8 is 2 power 3. So I write that 8 equals 2 power 3. And here we have 2 power n plus 5. Here base equals base, then power equals power. So I write n plus 5 equals 3. Then I'll solve this equation to get n equals negative 1. So in this case, I can write the base as the first base here. I can write the base equal to the base because 8 equals 2 power 3. Then the power should be equals to the other powers. So n plus 5 equals 3. Then I'll solve this equation. So the solution set is negative 2. Here, for example, 3 power absolute value of x equals 81. Can we write 81 as 3 to the power? Yes, 81 is 3 to the power 4. It means that the absolute value of x equals 4. So x can be 4 or negative 4. So here the base equals to the base, then the power equals to the power. So the absolute value of x equals 4. It means that x is 4 or negative 4. So this is the solution set. Another exercise, I can write 16 as 2 power 4. So n minus 2 equals 4. Base equals base, then power equals power. It means n minus 2 equals 4. So x equals 6. Here also 64 equals 4 power negative 3. So base equals base, then power equals powers. N plus 1 equals negative 3. It means that n equals negative 4. And this is the set of solutions. Here, for example, I have 2 power x power 2 minus 9 equals 1. Can we write 1 as 2 power? No, we can't. So it means that the power should be 0. So x power 2 minus 9 should be 0 because 2 power 0 equals 1. How can we solve this equation? X power 2 equals 9, so x equals positive or negative 3. And this is the solution set. Okay, that's all about our session today. Next session we will start Unit 3, the probability. I hope you have understand our session. Thank you very much for watching. See you next session and goodbye.